Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for programming in Java week 1 assignment 1. So the first question is, which of the following is true regarding how Java handles code execution? So these are the option. Java uses only interpreter, Java uses only compiler, Java uses both interpreter and compiler, none of the above. So the answer of our first question is C. Java uses both interpreter and compiler. And now let's go to our question number 2. A Java file with extension .class contains, so these are the option, Java source code, HTML tags, Java bytecode, a program file written in Java programming language. So the answer of our second question is C, Java bytecode. And now let's go to our question number 3. Which of the following is not an object-oriented programming paradigm? So these are the option, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, dynamic memory allocation. So the answer of our third question is D, dynamic memory allocation. And now let's go to our question number 4. What is the correct sequence of steps to execute a Java program? So these are the option, run, edit, run, compile, edit, compile, run. So the answer of our fourth question is D, edit, compile, run. And now let's go to our question number 5. Which program is used to compile Java source code into bytecode? So these are the option, Java P, Java C, Java D. So the answer of our fifth question is B, Java C, JAVAC. And now let's go to our question number 6. In Java, what is the role of the public static void main string args method? So these are the option, initialization method, execution entry point, constructor, destructor. So the answer of our sixth question is B, execution entry point. And now let's go to our question number 7. Which of the following is not a feature of Java? So these are the option, platform independence, object oriented programming, supports explicit pointers, support polymorphism. So the answer of our seventh question is C, support explicit pointers. And now let's go to our question number 8. What is the primary purpose of the Java virtual machine JVM in the Java programming language? So these are the option, graphical user interface, platform independence, code debugging, game engine. So the answer of our eighth question is B, platform independence. And now let's go to our question number 9. Consider the following program. So this is the program of Java, and what is the output of the above code? So these are the option, 50, 10, compiler error 5. So the answer of our ninth question is B, 10. And now let's go to our question number 10. Consider the following program. What is the output of the above code? So these are the option, hello world, compilation error, runtime error. So the answer of our 10th question is A. And now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.